With this method you can check whether a sensor in a Brother laser printer is operating normally. You can check all sensors: paper feed sensor, cover sensor, temperature sensor, and so on. To begin, you have to enter maintenance mode. Press and hold the home button for approximately 5 seconds while the machine is in the ready state. On the display of the printer appears this image. Press the blank field at the bottom. Now, press in this order: asterisk, 2, 8, 6, 4. Press them rapidly, otherwise it will not work. The machine enters in maintenance mode. If you have a printer without a touch panel, you'll find instructions in the video description. Type 32. The speaker makes buzzing sound continuously. Press Set or OK to stop the buzzing sound. Here you find a series of letters. Each pair of letters refers to a sensor. Follow this table. The first two letters, R and C, are related to the back cover sensor. The third and the fourth letters, C and V, are related to the top cover sensor. If you open the cover, you will find that CV disappears. It means that the sensor is defective or the top cover is open. The fifth and the sixth letters, C1, are related to the paper feed sensor, and so on. If all letters are present, there are no faulty sensors. Press Color Start or Mono Start to change the display to the next item. You will find another set of letters and numbers. MAC is the internal temperature sensor. The next two numbers indicate the internal temperature. In this case, 18 degrees. OT is the external temperatures. In this case, 16 degrees. OH is the external humidity sensor. In this case, 42%. Note that if the temperature humidity sensor detects an unusual value, the machine displays an NG. Press Mono or Color Start again, and you will find other sensors. DF refers to Document Detection Sensor. DR is the Document Scanning Position Sensor. A C is the ADF Cover Sensor. This is the location of the sensors according to the Brother Technical Manual. Once finished, press the X or Stop. The machine returns to the initial state of maintenance mode. To quit maintenance mode, press 99.